Good morning, boys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about articles, that is an. Please check my playlist where you will find articles, that is omission of articles and article A have been discussed. Today we'll be discussing about indefinite article an. So let us see exactly how the an is used in English. So as you can see in this figure, the indefinite article an is used when the next word begins with the vowel sound, that is, we should know the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So whatever the vowel sound with the next word that is followed by the vowel sound, those are used with the article an. So as you can see, an elephant, an apple, an umbrella. So these are all few things which are to be used with the indefinite article an. Here, as you can see to the right, two adjectives and singular countable nouns indicating two different persons. As you can see, an honest and an intelligent teacher. It is of two different persons. Here, an honest is one guy and an intelligent is another guy. So, two adjectives, that is honest and intelligent, and singular countable nouns indicating two different persons, where we can use directly. In the honest, it is H is silent, A is present. In an honest and intelligent teacher, so where we can use indefinite article an. In the sense of positions, the is used. He is elected the captain of the Indian team. So in these positions where the has to be used, as you can see how exactly to the right of the slide, what are the examples have been given. You have to write on your own where we can use article a or an. So please go through whatever the figure has been given, do the practice. As you can see the next slide, Rome was not built in a day. So there is in a proverbs where we can use the article a in this. Rome was not built in a day. So it is the article a has to be used in front of the vowels. As I had told, a, e, I, o, u are the vowels. Do not use with the sound of consonants other than vowels. There are few situations where you have to use an, that is university. Here yu has come, so in this case an cannot be used, only a has to be used. He is studying in a university, not an university, because there is a sound yu, ye, va, one. So where we cannot use in these places, we can't use the article an. You have to use the article a in that. In front of H starting words where H is silent with a A sound. I already told honest, no, honest man, R, air, honorable. So these are all few things which are to be remembered, where we can use, though H is present in the first letter, an has to be used in these sentences. He is an honest man. It will take an hour. She is, whatever the sentences, you have to start with the an only. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You have near about 800 plus question papers which will be very useful for your examinations. Please have a look. Here we have prior singular countable nouns when they are indefinite and introduced for the first time. There are few singular countable nouns. As usual, umbrella has been given. In the case of umbrella, here a sound has come. So in this case, it is used for the first time. This is an umbrella is the right one. If they are repeated for the specifically second time, then it may be used in this place. If an adjective qualifies a noun, the articles comes before the adjective. she is an excellent student. Here, whatever the excellent has been given, that is adjective, because which is qualifying the noun, that is student. So where which is qualifying, that is an adjective, prior to that article "an" can be used. So here she is an excellent student, that is very correct. As you can see to the right of this figure, how a, an and the are used, you can directly go through whatever the examples have been given. Please remember that whatever the rules have been given. I need a phone. I saw a movie last night. They bought a computer. She is a singer. Can you give me the books on the table? The movie is based on a real life incident. The Netherlands, the rich. So these are the few things where we can use a, an and the. Next we have with the abbreviations also be used with the pronunciation. Here he is an MLA, an MP, an SHO, an IAS. So these are all few things where article "an" has to be used. He lodged an FIR. So where you have to use the sound with a. She is an LLB graduate. I have been waiting for an hour. He is an heir to the throne. Ram is an honest person. So these are all few examples which have been given in it. So here a and the, how exactly it can be used, you can directly go through whatever has been given in this slide. So these are all few examples which I already told. Whatever the slides I have been given, they are complimentary. You can directly go through if you want. I request you check my playlist where you will find these various videos, history and army selection in 6 hours, military nursing service papers, and Navy, Air Force, Army GD technical. You have various examination papers. Please have a good look. Next we have in exclamatory sentence, a or an is used after what and how and before the singular countable noun that comes in the sentence. As you can see here, what an excellent story it was. What a pretty girl. The way the exclamation has been given in this sentence, the way we have used the articles of indefinite a and an, these are all few things in exclamatory sentences also. Here indefinite article a and an supposed to be used. Here exclamatory sentences, you can directly figure out what exactly has been given. What a beautiful rose. So these are all few exclamatory sentences. You can directly go through the slide. Here we have if, many, rather, quite, such takes a singular pronoun after them, that is a, an is used before the noun. So here it was a quite an impossible task. So wherever these are words, many, rather, quite, such, followed by the article, it was quite an impossible task. It is correct. I have never seen such a girl in my life. So in this case, whatever the words many, rather, quite or such, for these sentences you have to see whatever the word which is given between quite and impossible. Impossible, it is a vowel sound where I can use an. Here such, girl, girl is a consonant sound, so where I can use a in this. So we have to use, compulsorily we have to use the articles, whatever the respective indefinite articles. In place of each or every and per, this train runs 27 kilometers an hour. Instead of telling this train runs 27 kilometers per hour, we can directly use an hour. So this is one of the framing sentences, how we have to frame with the help of indefinite article, where indefinite articles are not to be used. These are few things which are to be remembered. I had already prepared a slide for it. You can directly go through playlist. Besides that, I am giving few additional. The color of my car is green. Here green colors, wherever the colors, we can't use an article prior to that. The color of my car is green. Certain titles, King Ashoka, King Chandragupta. So we have various kings name where we can't use the titles, indicating mythological aspects. God lives in heaven. So these are all few things in a mythological aspects where we can't use the articles. Not to be used with chemicals. Sulfuric acid is the strongest acid. You can't tell the sulfuric acid or a sulfuric acid or whatever the sentences. So not to be used with the chemicals, colors, certain titles and mythological aspects like heaven, and these are all which are to be remembered. No article has to be used. I hope this video will give you maximum information regarding usage of an. If you have any queries, you can call me on 7667302252. I request you guys to share it to your friends, or you can call me or message me for 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.